8 powerful natural painkillers with no side effects. The use of pharmaceutical drugs has become the #1 option for people around the world when it comes to solving health problems. However, this doesn't mean that it is the healthiest option, nor the most effective. Although over-the-counter medication can be extremely helpful for treating a myriad of health problems, excess consumption of these drugs can result in serious short and long-term side effects, thus creating another set of health issues. Pharmaceutical drug abuse is a problem that has worried specialists around the world for quite some time now, particularly because more and more studies are focusing on the side effects of these substances. For example, it has been proven that frequent consumption of painkillers such as ibuprofen and diclofenac can have negative consequences on your body, even increasing your risk of heart attack. Considering the fact that painkillers are one of the best ways to alleviate different types of pain and minor health issues, we're going to share 8 powerful natural painkillers that can work as well as the synthetic kind, but without the dangerous side effects. 1. Red chili peppers. Red chili peppers are rich in a compound called capsaicin, which allows this food to act as a painkiller for the body. According to David Kiefer, assistant professor of the Integrative Health Center at the University of Arizona, this effect of red chili peppers is caused by the reduction of a substance responsible for conveying the pain from the affected area to the nervous system. He adds that this process may take a couple of days, but that it is very effective. 2. Ginger. Ginger root has been used for centuries to treat problems such as arthritis due to its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to reduce joint pain. Ginger, both as a tea and a topical application, has a powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect, making it a great way to combat a variety of ailments. 3. Matrica. Matrica is a very popular plant due to its analgesic and calming effect, which makes it capable of reducing fever, headaches, stomachaches, toothaches, migraines, and rheumatoid arthritis. Although its analgesic properties have yet to be proven scientifically, moderate use of this substances may be useful. 4. Garlic. In addition to being one of the most powerful natural antibiotics in the world, garlic also acts as a powerful painkiller that can alleviate severe ailments such as headaches, migraines, sinus infections, neuralgias, and toothaches. This benefit is due to the fact that garlic contains capsaicin, which is a pain neutralizer. 5. Cherries. Yes, you read it right. This delicious fruit is also a powerful painkiller that can help you treat a variety of ailments. A study carried out by the University of Michigan determined that cherries are up to 10 times more efficient than pharmaceutical drugs when it comes to reducing the swollen tissue that occurs during a headache. This benefit is the result of its anthocyanin content, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory and calming properties. 6. Pineapple. Another natural painkiller that you'll definitely enjoy is pineapple. This delicious and healthy fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is responsible for reducing pain, swelling and bruises that form on the body after undergoing surgery, excessive physical effort, or injury. 7. Valerian root. Valerian root is an excellent choice for people who want to naturally reduce pain while avoiding the use of commercial painkillers. This organic remedy can be used to treat muscle cramps and spasms. It is also recommended for problems such as insomnia and premenstrual syndrome pains. It is so powerful that it is included as one of the active ingredients in many over-the-counter painkillers. 8. Clove. This popular spice, used around the world, is an excellent natural painkiller which is capable of alleviating serious headaches and toothaches. This benefit is the result of its high eugenol content, an active component in clove. This substance has both antibacterial and anesthetic properties, which are key to reducing pain and other related problems. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.